So sorry, mate. I wasn't even looking. Sorry,
Keep
sorry.
paying more attention to what you're doing instead of listening to your obnoxiously loud music.
Sorry, mate. Sorry again. Sorry. Mate, hate to piss you off again, but do you know where number 258 is?
Turn the music down! I gotta get some sleep.
Sean, turn the music down, will you? I gotta get some sleep before tomorrow.
Sorry, what? Alright man, how's it going? I was just
Sean,
going
I don't have the time, alright? I have to get to work.
No, wait, look, I want to apologise about the music last night and stuff, but after listening to it from a course, you know, and it messed up my ears with years of loud gigs and that, you know. But anyway, look, what I wanted to tell you was I went out today and I bought these, best in the market, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. Look, sorry again, man, alright?
Wait, no, Sean!